Welcome to this video presentation about OverView AFP Designer. Do you, as a business user, have the need to build complex forms with variable data that consists of text, graphics, and images? Do you want to combine static and dynamically read content and instantly see what the outcome will look like? Papyrus software OverView AFP Designer can do exactly that and more. With the provided graphical user interface, creating complex forms is simple and fast. Everything you see on the screen is exactly what you will get on the printed version. Let's take a look at a form your company may need to create and fill with data. On the right side of the screen, in the View and Edit window, we will first create the static structures of the form. These building blocks are called overlays. You can load predefined or create new ones, customize and reuse them to your liking. Elements like lines can be repeated. They can be dashed, dotted, or solid, and the thickness can be changed. You can draw boxes, make them colored and shaded. The AFP Designer supports outline and raster fonts. TrueType fonts can also be used. Special characters could be placed via drag and drop. In this header, we are going to change the logo. The AFP Designer contains the Overview image editor. Let's load this image, in this case a PNG. In here you can resize, maintaining the proportions to fit the form afterwards, and also add text. The powerful conversion engine delivers an AFP resource based on the original PNG image. Back in the Overview AFP Designer, placing the just created image is an easy thing. The footer we are loading has different text blocks. We could change alignment and orientation if it was required. All overlays are depicted as logical trees in the Form Definitions window. Now let's add data directly from the Data window. It displays original production data. By simply marking lines, you can place print lines via drag and drop and change the placement with your mouse. Let's create a new block of data in a table, which requires splitting into fields for more precise positioning. You can set the maximum repeat amount that fits the vertical space of your table. By pressing Next, you can switch to the next dataset to verify the correct data placement in all variations. Barcode creation is also intuitive in OverView AFP Designer. Creating a new invoice form from an existing order is simply done by changing the building block's content. It's as easy as that. As you can see here, conditional processing can also be done and is represented in logical trees too. OverView AFP Designer is capable of uploading to and downloading from iSeries and an IBM mainframe. For example, you download form data directly to your Designer workstation. And once you are finished, upload the whole form application to your production environment. Now you spool to your production printer or deliver to the Papyrus output management system. To address any other output channel you need, it is capable of sending the data to various digital channels, feeding social media channels, printing on any printer device, and sending it to your archive for later retrieval. For more information, visit isispapyrus.com.